In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to inject code in Squarespace. Whether you're looking to customize your site or add some special features, knowing how to inject code can be incredibly useful. So, let's jump in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Squarespace website. This is your main hub for managing your website, so make sure you're on the right page to access all the customization tools you'll need today. Once you're at the Squarespace website, the first thing to do is click Get Started. This option is prominently displayed on their homepage. If you're new to Squarespace, this step helps you get introduced to the platform, setting up your experience from scratch or continuing on your current project. Afterward, you'll be routed directly to the dashboard. Now, if you want to begin making edits to your site, you'll need to click on Edit Site. This is your gateway to modifying any existing elements and layouts on your Squarespace site. Next, head to the specific page where you'd like to add the code. This is an important step because injecting code generally affects only an individual page or section of your site, unless you're working on site-wide changes. Choose carefully based on where you want the customization to appear, be it your homepage, a blog page, or any other part of your site. Now that you're on the desired page, look for the option that says Plus Add Block, and click on it. From the list of options presented, select Code. This function allows you to enter custom code directly into your page, enabling you to incorporate whatever feature or style you have in mind. After selecting the code block, you will notice that a new block appears on your page. It's not just any ordinary block. It serves as a live preview of what your code achieves. To start editing, double-click within this space. You'll see the coding field appear, ready for you to type or paste your custom code. Once you've added your desired code and are happy with the adjustments, simply click outside the coding field. This action signifies that you have completed your changes and want to see how they look before permanently applying them. Finally, remember one crucial step. Click Save. Whatever enhancements you've made won't stick unless you hit that Save button, so ensure you finalize the process by doing so, securing all the hard work and creative input you've put into your site today. And there you have it. You've successfully injected code into your Squarespace site. This process opens up many possibilities for customization. Experiment with different features to see what works best for your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!